In this video, I will show you how to download your Grab receipt from your phone. First, make sure you already know what email is attached to your Grab app. This is where they will send the receipt to. Next, go to your Grab app. Tap on the profile icon up top. Scroll down until you see the Help Center. Then select that. From there, tap on the green section Chat to get help. Tap on Other Topics. Next, select Account and Security. I have started a chat earlier. Ignore that and type email receipt in the chat. Then select the email receipt option. Next, go back to your activities area and select the ride you want a receipt for. I will choose the first option. Again, choose the email receipt option. After that, choose Request an email copy of my receipt. Finally, choose Email me my receipt. And Grab will send the receipt to your email that is linked to the app. Thanks for watching.